Hello everyone, so I'm in Dubai and I'm staying at the Seef Heritage Hotel and I'm gonna show you around my room and, well, the hotel. The hotel is spread out in the whole area, it's in different buildings. The building I'm in, you're gonna see now, is the Starbucks building. For some reason, this Starbucks got really popular on Instagram, and usually there's a lot of people taking photos, but I think it's too early for people to come here. To be honest, I don't understand why, because all of the shops in this area are in houses like that, and there's also Costa Coffee and other chains. But yeah, tons of people taking photos of that Starbucks, and here's the entrance to my room. I need to get my card out. Yeah, here's the elevator. And like reception is in a separate building as well. That's me. We're going up. These are the key cards, which look very nice. I think it's a nice little detail. And then let's walk to my room, which is right here. Okay, so here we are. That's the entrance. Right at the entrance there's the wardrobe. Let's open it up. It has light inside, which confused me at first, but I guess it's nice. You have the robes, the slippers, and an ironing board. I'm not using that on holiday, but I guess some people are. Okay, then just turn around. One thing I think is kind of cute are those please service my room and please do not disturb signs, because it's a nice detail that they're not just paper or plastic. On the back it says the same thing in Arabic. Okay, then the light switches in this hotel are a very interesting design, but there's one light switch, I think it's this one, for the bathroom that really annoys me, because you have to find just the right spot for it to be on or off, which is confusing to me, and with the other ones it's just, you know, very simple. So anyways, let's continue. Here we have the bathroom. Let's step in. It's my bikini drying, so sorry about that. Obviously the mirror, then that's the sink with the soaps. That's my robe that I put there. And this is used too, but here you get like a vanity kit, shower cap, toothbrush, and there was a shaving kit as well. Here we have the hair dryer. It's a bit dark in here, but it's fine. Then the toilet, and right next to it, because that's super necessary, a phone. So I guess you can call reception while you're on the toilet, I don't know. And then we have the shower right here. Let's go in. So I do love the design of the bathroom and the whole room and everything. It's a lot of attention to detail, but one thing that did bother me and does bother me is I think it's the conditioner and the shampoo are actually out or super low, and they have not replaced it since I came here. Well, I came here, had my first shower, and the conditioner was already empty, so that's disappointing, but it's fine. Then just checking out the decoration detail, whatever you call that. I like that. I just left the doors open because it's just me in the room, but obviously you can close them. Here we have the mirror and me. Another thing that is kind of a bit negative is the mirror. I don't know if you can see. is not super clean. I feel like they should have cleaned it. It has quite a few spots all over. And I mean, obviously it's not a 5-star hotel, but it's the Hilton, so yeah. Continuing on, here we have coffee and tea station, and I have used it, obviously. This tea right here, it's really nice. So they gave me more of it, and I've already used all of it as well. Then here we have the fridge. There was like the little milk thingies in here. There's more water. Up here is the safe. Can't see. Okay, now you can see. Not really using it. I don't know. I never really see the point of the safes. But yeah. Okay, then continue on to the main part of the room. Here we are. Again. Here we have another phone. Here we have the king size bed. Obviously I just put the blanket like that. I just got up, room service hasn't been here and I'm checking out today, so for the video I tried to make it semi-nice, but as you can tell I'm not that great at it. Anyways, I love the theme of the art, which is all about Dubai Creek, because Dubai Creek is right outside. We're gonna go outside in a bit anyways. Again, here as well. And I also like that oh my god, I can't speak, that the pictures are in those little window thingies. I think that looks really nice. And again, here we have the wooden decorational part. I guess this is this the aircon? I don't know. Another thing I really like is the lamps. They're super cute. And a detail up here, I don't know if you can tell, is there's an arrow. I am not 100%. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's to indicate in which direction is Mecca and where you should pray if you're a Muslim. I think it is, but I don't know. So then also they have little carpets in like nature colors, which is nice. Here's where you would keep your suitcase if you're a fancy person. I am not. I'm always going to be the backpacker at heart, so here's my backpack. Also, I just like traveling with backpacks. In my opinion, they're easier, but yeah. And this one is one of Amazon. That's the exact size of like Ryanair, which is super convenient. Again, more art from, I guess, a merchant. I don't know. Another lamp and more decorative things, whatever. Here's the desk and the workstation, which looks really nice. I like the little radio and the work thing. You can tell it's morning because I can't find my words. And up here is the TV that I didn't use, and I just turned it off to save energy, but it was on when I checked in. And here we have a little sofa where I just put my Mauritius bag and a shelf with, I guess, would those be lamps? I don't know. Yeah, then let's go outside and check out the little balcony. It's always difficult to open the doors up. Okay, now I got it. Let's go outside. So this is the view, and here's the Dubai Creek. It's super early, that's why there's not really boats. So you can walk along here. Oops, what's that? Nothing. Okay. And down here, just around the corner, is the famous Starbucks. And then on the other side, you have a little chair to sit down and this thing. Let's see what's down here. Not too much. So yeah, let's go back inside. and the room from this perspective. Okay, so we're gonna check out a bit more of the outside later on, but first I'm gonna head to breakfast. The breakfast buffet is amazing. It's really good. Yesterday I went to Aura Sky Pool, so obviously I had to wear my bikini. But in the morning I had breakfast at the buffet and I just ate so much. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna look amazing in the bikini. I probably looked like a pregnant lady, but I don't care, it's amazing. I love breakfast buffets if they're really good. And also I really like to get value for my money, so I'm gonna eat everything I can. I also have dinner at the restaurant, which I won't be able to film because I'm checking out today, but it's again a buffet and little stations where they make dishes fresh for you on request. So again, the buffet is amazing, everything is really good, there's a lot of options. Can't complain. Also price-wise, the difference between the room with breakfast and the room with breakfast and dinner was not a lot, and because I'm traveling by myself, I didn't really want to bother trying to find restaurants for dinner each night or snacks or whatever, so yeah, getting the half-board option was great for me, and I definitely would recommend it if you're planning on staying here. And I mean, let's face it, restaurants in Dubai are also not the cheapest, so why not? Depending on how, you know, when you're booking and how the prices are like. If you have doubts, don't, because the food is amazing. Heading to breakfast, so there's all of these buildings. Breakfast is obviously in a different building than where I'm staying, but that's fine. So let's go up here. I feel like I'm not very good at filming the setup and the buffets, but then there's always a lot of people, and first of all I'm embarrassed. Second of all, I don't want to film people without their consent if possible. Yeah, so I'm walking back to the hotel now. Well, everything is basically the hotel. It's spread out in different buildings. So yeah, I'm very full. Food is very good. As I mentioned before, I could take a nap now, but that's not gonna happen because I need to go and start my day. Okay, let's explore the area outside. It's very nice. There's plants, there's lamps, place to sit down, decoration. Everywhere here we have more rooms, another floor of rooms. Let's walk around here, more rooms. Yeah, and a lot of those buildings in this area is this hotel. Depending on where your room is, you can get a buggy service and they just drive you around the area. But to be honest, walking is fine too. So as far as I know, the whole area is actually not that old. I think not even 10 years if I'm correct, but I don't know. And they've built it to make it look like early days Arab cities. It does have a little bit the fake Disneyland feel about it, but in general I think it's a nice contrast to the, you know, super modern part of Dubai. Oops, dropping my keys. Just going back to the room as I'm talking. Yeah, and that's why I chose to stay here, because I didn't really want to stay in the super modern part. I feel like even though this is fake too, it has a bit more character, or let's put it that way, it's just more my vibe. And on the other side of the creek there's the Gold Souk, there's different souks, and that's definitely, in my opinion, I think, where like regular people are also living, because it doesn't look like just luxury and everything. So I really like that. In general, it's really nice. I really like the hotel. I like staying here. I would definitely book it again. Hope you got to see a little bit. Sorry for the breakfast fail. I'm just really not that great in filming in public because I'm just too embarrassed. Yeah, so that's that. See you next time. Bye.